What the heck happened here? So everyone, this is Eric back with All Replay, man, and I just sold all my mechanic tools. I still got my socket set that I was given for Christmas, but in like a couple of jack stands and one breaker bar, but all the tools are gone. It's kind of it's lifting in a sense for me, because you know, I was good enough to be dangerous, you know what I'm saying? Just if I was like Goon Squad or Soundcraft or somebody that was actually could finish a car, you know what I'm saying, and get done with it. But as I'm trying to learn more and more and 10x my life like Grant Cardone, man, and move it in the right direction, I'm gonna buy things that are cash flowing, man. So I'm gonna take this money. I just got paid $200 for those 2 sets, man. And those tools won't make me no money. I talked to a buddy, I was like, hey man, you come over here, I'll rent you the space, man, for $25 a day. You can make some money and all this and that. Now I gotta be worried about them trying to take other stuff that I got from other business, and that's just confusing. And I don't wanna have to deal with that. So I think that was the best thing to do, just go ahead and get rid of it. Get rid of the white car, get rid of everything else at the house, put all that money in my dividend reinvestment stock, and we can keep going from there, man. So I'll catch y'all later. So I'm gonna stick with what's easy. I got these eBay packages here, man. I got the labels lined up, ready to go. And I got another big one back here. So I'm gonna drop this off at UPS. Well, these going to post office, this other one's going to UPS. And we're gonna keep 10x in our way towards, I'm gonna make $1,200,000, you know, $34,567, man, by the end of this year. That's my goal, okay? He said don't pick $1 million as a goal. I'm gonna pick, you know, $234,000 and $567, okay? I'm gonna figure out a number, man, or something like that. I'm working on something, but I'm pushing everything towards that goal of putting money in my dividend reinvestment stock, the cash flow, man, to pay me every month passively. That's my goal. That's what I'm working on. That's what I'm gonna keep moving. And I mean writing a book, man. So y'all just stay along. I'm gonna look at this camera right now, but y'all just keep going along. And this is lifting me up in the right direction, because now I'm not worried about fixing no car. I mean, I don't mind looking at cars and driving cars and maybe reselling cars if I could buy it for cheap, but fixing on them is not my, it's not my gift, man. I'm not gifted, man, because I would already been there. I've been doing this for 2 years, man, with the channel. I'm gonna keep going with the cars, and we'll see what's going on with it, but let's just go along with this journey and see where it goes, okay? So Corey, how's the Purple Monster doing?
Living nightmare.
Already?
Fucker won't start. What else am I supposed to do?
Hey man, this is a kid-friendly show, okay?
Oh.
Okay, so be careful, okay? So literally, Corey came over here to get his car and take off, and this thing will not start for some reason. And all I did,
Failed.
You see me, all I did on the video was jump it off and move it here. So I didn't do anything to it. I didn't touch it. I didn't mess with any wire or anything besides take that battery out and try to charge it to help him out so he could drive off into the sunset. And now we're here stuck in my house. So, and just after I sold my tools, I literally just sold my tools. Now I'm over here with this thing. Okay, so I got my meter. I'm gonna check some fuses. I don't know if a fuse blew or something, but we're gonna find out what's going on with this and get it running. And I just found out from the previous owner that the starter was replaced in January, which was just like 6 months ago. So I probably need to check all the wiring going to the solenoid for the starter and make sure that's tight. So Corey had an idea. He's like, well, maybe the battery's just so dead it's shorting out, right? Could be an issue, I don't know. So I'm gonna grab the battery from the Mercedes, put it in this thing, see if it works. So what you think? You think your idea was put in my battery from a Mercedes?
I think so.
To see if it'll work, and let's see if it'll work.
I'm about to test my theory. So.
I kind of literally just hooked it up loose, and it did start trying to crank. So I think this will work for you
a lot of power.
temporarily.
I don't explode into a million pieces.
Let's see what it does. Hallelujah! Look at there.
Yes!
Oh, you rolling like a big shot now. You can hold on to it for a little bit. Corey figured it out, man. He got the Purple Monster going. Okay, he's going greats over here. Okay, we're gonna call it going greats.
Oh, my emergency brake is on too. I bet you that's why the other battery wouldn't start.
No, the emergency brake just keeps the brakes from, it keeps the back brakes going.
Okay.
So, cause I got it on the hill.
Well, fast.
So, hey, y'all like, share, subscribe, man. You might catch Corey over here doing something. We might face his door handle. So I don't know, man. We might go crazy on this car.
Got it.
And fix an $8 part. We're gonna put some rims on it. We're gonna have it sitting up this high. Put a cereal system. We're gonna go crazy, right? We're gonna make it bananas. Alright, y'all.
We'll see.
Alright, let's see. We're gonna check out the AC. We're gonna see if it's got some gas in here. We gotta check this car out, man. She crank up beautifully now.
Oh,
it looks like you got like an eighth of a tank, man. What I see right there. Yeah, I mean, you got enough to make it home.
you got some gas here, partner. You're gonna help brother out. You're gonna just gotta fill her up. What?
Hey, I gotta tell. Hey, man, now you're asking for too much. You're so silly. All right, man. Yeah, you ready? Come back over here. We're gonna work on this this door handle that broke. All right. So what you do? You press this in first.
Pull up and then pull down.
Then
right?
yeah, push it down. And there's kids behind you, so be careful, man.
I'm not actually gonna move. I got my foot on the real brake.
Okay, let's see. You got it? Just push it in and push it down. No. Push the button. Yeah. You push the button. What the hell? Yeah, you gotta pull up a little bit. Push the button and just let it down. Okay? Pull it up a little bit. There you go. And then push it in and pull it down. Yeah, push it down. Oh, push all the way down. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, we gotta go for a ride and this, don't even mess with it no more.
I'm trying to put it back.
No, just don't mess with it no more.
We're not going for a ride.
Just leave it alone. I don't think your AC works, man. It should be cold. This is like cool.
Feels fine to me.
Yeah, okay, you're gonna find out when you driving this 2 p.m. and it's Florida sun, if it's hot or not, you're gonna be sweating. You're gonna know pretty quick.
I'm gonna do it.
What's
I'm
that?
gonna do it.
What's that?
I'm gonna do it. Press
No,
the horn.
no, man, my wife is in
Wake
there
her up.
sleeping. What you doing?
She'll come back here.
What you doing, man?
Put your
Hey,
back
man,
and
I'm
tell
trying
us
to stay married, dog. I'm trying to stay married, man. What you talking about, man? You trying to help me get divorced? Hey, this is gonna be the reason why everything went to crap. Yeah. Leave that lady alone, man. She trying to relax in there. She ain't got no kids for the whole week. She trying to relax and
You ain't got
sleep.
no kids. What do you mean no kids?
Like the kids in Tampa with my mom.
Oh, you do that?
I took them down there Friday.
I could have put the kids in here too.
You ain't driving my kids nowhere.
Dude, I am safe and responsible, thank you.
Not for like 2 years, maybe.
Yeah, give it some time. You're right.
Corey just got your license. When did you get your license?
Well, I'm in park, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you're in park. When did you get your license?
About 3 weeks ago. No, I got my license about 2 weeks ago.
Okay, so you brand new at this. So what
I've
do
been
you?
driving on my own street today. I know how to go
So real talk, you ready to go on the road, man? What?
by myself. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay,
I'm
you
not
ready?
dealing with anybody.
Okay,
I'll be dealing
cool.
with myself and all the other people that try to cut in front of me, and I lose my mind.
Oh Lord, we gonna have to videotape this. The first ride ever.
Oh man, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so Corey gonna just take this thing down the street and back one time.
Kids are scaring the crap out of me.
You just go slow, man. Go real slow. Treat like a treat it just like that's your kid. You don't want to run over him.
Where do I go again?
Cause that's the worst. You don't want to hit a kid, okay? And I'm here to help. So just back out easy, man. Just back up really gentle.
I forgot what we're doing. So let me get
Okay.
straight first.
Let's see. Okay, they're down there, so you good. Yeah, just go down there and just kind of get a feel for the car. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So stop. Okay, yeah. So you got to get a feel for it, man. Yeah, just how the turning radius, how it stops, and make sure your seat's adjusted and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna go down the end of the road here. Man, that sun's bright.
Oh, Lord.
Feel good?
Oh, it feels so great. Being in a car so low, it feels good.
Yeah.
What?
And this is good on gas too, man. It's a little 4-cylinder, so.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we riding now. Man, you got this.
Of course.
Yeah.
Not my first rodeo.
Okay.
I know to brake before I get to the end of the road. Those
Okay.
brakes are actually really good.
That's great, man. You got a good car to start with.
And then I know I gotta stop, but you can't stop here. What am I gonna look at? Bushes?
Yeah, you just kind of stop by, you know, where the road is,
How the heck
man.
am I gonna turn around?
Just, I make a big U-turn right here.
Okay.
Here, dude, I just turn right around here.
I'm gonna go wait for this guy to go though.
Yeah, just make sure you see that car and all that.